So they have lots of data because they have lots of things. And I mentioned it before. It's all about what are they, where are they, and what are they saying? That's what folks want to know. What is that device? Where is it in my floor plan? And is it hot? Is it cold? Is it shaking? Is it salty? Whatever it is. Does it have power? Yeah, they want to get that information and they want to be able to see it right there in a visualization. The info that they get goes in a database. So for example, Elemental Machines has a database. We read the database. One Source from PerkinElmer has a database. We read the database. So as long as it's going into a database, we can visualize it. They probably have something already. They probably looks like something like Grafana or a basic, what I will say, lists, bar charts, graphs, and speedometers. Fine. You know, it probably looks like your Salesforce console if you use Salesforce. That's great, but they want something more. And that's why they come and they say, hey, you got a floor plan. And floor plan really means I want to see my stuff on a floor plan. Okay, this would be, actually, this is one source. You know, this is PerkinElmer's product. And you could be the lab manager looking at that. And I'm sure it gives you great insight and tells you certain things. I would have to work on that. Or you can see it in context. You can say, oh, okay, so there are my devices. They are described by icon. We have like thousands of icons, but you can also create new ones. We actually have built AI built in to make all kinds of icons based on what kind of device you have. You can see things in warning and you can see things in alert. You can also, we'll see in the demo really quickly, that you have abilities to filter. Maybe you only want to see 1, 2, 3 types of things. Maybe you only want to see things that are in need of maintenance in the next 30 days. Maybe you want to see things that are available on Thursday from 3 to 6. So you can see everything where it is in context, but also redo your visualization based on the solution you're trying to get. Okay, now this is the fun part. So we started with, let's say we have 3 labs. New England, looking good. Yeah, Texas, couple of warnings. Yeah, Las Vegas, yeah, that doesn't look good at all. What's going on there? We've got 4 warnings. We have 6 critical, and we're monitoring 155 sensors. I think I want to go take a look at what's going on there. So what I can do is I can drill down. Whoop, I guess I'll let it go. Sorry. I can drill down. And now as I go, I get more and more detail. I can see, wow, this room, maybe that room is hot. Maybe I want to go and take a look. Oh, here we go. Here's our filters. I just want to see refrigerators. I want to see refrigerators and incubators. Oh, let's throw in centrifuges. So that's the filtering. I want to just hover over and get a little info. What is this? It's a water purification system. Who makes it? Okay. Here is a room. This is its temperature. You're allowed to set thresholds, by the way, in our product to create these visualizations. You can choose, is it going to blink? Is it going to be red? I can search based on asset, click on it and go right to it. I can actually see a 3D version of the asset. Maybe especially because this one happens to have more than one sensor, and one sensor is an alert. What is it? It's based on temperature. Well, when was it hot? Well, I'm going to bring up a graph, and that graph is going to show the history. I can add a note. Maybe I'm seeing a note that somebody else left. Maybe I could also schedule that's someplace you could also leave a note to have a scheduled maintenance. So there you go. That is the quick 1 minute and 13 second demo.